Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I discuss everything about how to make money online. Guys, I found a banger. I found a gold mine. I saw a video about trading, but not the regular forex trading. This is trading binary option. And I saw a lady. The lady said she made $3,660,000 in white trading, just 4 trades. Well, because I am not a guru in trading, I am not going to risk the amount of money she risked in order to make that amount of money. But I'm going to start with as little as $10. I'm going to watch her trade and I'm going to replicate exactly what she has done and see if truly we can make money on this platform called Pocket Option. So let's watch the video and see for ourselves.
Hello traders, this is Joanne from Binary Trader, a YouTube channel focusing on binary options trading. Today I brought you a simple but highly effective strategy.
According to her, she called it a simple but very effective or highly effective strategy. So let's watch her, then we'll replicate it and see if truly it works. Guys, let's watch.
This strategy works on any time frame, but most of the time I use 30 seconds or 1 minute. Select 30 seconds for time frame. Choose 30 seconds also for trade duration. Among indicators, choose Parabolic+RSI and RSI. I use the default parameters.
Okay guys, so now we are coming to the platform. We want to set up our indicators just like she has said. She said she's going to use, let me delete all the indicators I have here and now start afresh so that you can see from the beginning how I did it. Now she said we are trading with candles. All these things you're seeing here, green, red, they are called candles. So you click on these 3 dots here close to the currency pair. You click on these 3 dots here close to the currency pair. When you click on it, you see this candle. You see 3 things. They are candles. You click on it. It will show you the odd types of charts you can use to trade. But what we are going to use is candle because that is what she used. Now, they said the time frame is 30 seconds. So I have chosen 30 seconds. Now, she said the trading time, you come here and choose the trading time to be 30 seconds. I clicked on it and I have chosen, you click on it if you want to use 1 minute, but we want to do it exactly the way she did it. She chose 30 seconds and I have chosen 30 seconds. Now, for the indicators, you still come here, this 3 dots line, click on it. You come to the second one, that is where you find the indicators. These second 3 lines here, these second 3 lines that are looking adjacent, you click on it. When you click on it, you look for Parabolic+RSI. Look at it here, Parabolic+RSI. I'm going to spell it in the screen so that you know. Then the second one to add to it is called RSI. You click on that 3 lines, click on the second one, and you click on RSI. And that is it. Now, she said how this strategy works is Parabolic+RSI show when, let's assume the trend, the market has been up, you will see this dot line showing that the market has been coming down for a very long time. Now, you see in this place now, you will see 2 dots trying to show that the market wants to come up. Do not place any trade yet. Do not place any trade yet until you confirm from RSI. RSI is this other indicator that's written 14 here. Until you confirm from this line in RSI. RSI has 3 lines. The first line is line 70, the middle line is line 50, and the last line is line 30. Now, this line on top of it is the one showing where the market is going, whether the market is going up or the market is coming down. Now, she said, for you to take the best trade, when you see Parabolic+RSI bringing out a first dot, Do not take a trade until you confirm from RSI, this line on RSI, that it is above the line 50. If it is above line 50, you can take a buy trade. Then the reverse is the case. If parabolic side is flipping, like the market wants to come down and parabolic side gives the first dot, do not place a trade. Wait for that candle to finish, then confirm with the RSI, the line on RSI, that it is below the line 50. Then you now place a trade. You now place it. Now see an example. This parabolic star has showed a dot here. Parabolic star has showed the first dot. I will not place a trade according to her. And this line is above 50. RSI line is above 50. So I'm going to place a trade if this first candle finishes. Now I've placed a trade. Let's see. She said, do not place a trade when the line is not, if it is below 50 and parabolic star has flipped the second dot, then you can place a trade. So let's see if it is profitable. I took so many trades. I took up to 8 trades. And guys, oh my God, all my trades were profitable. All the trades were profitable. Wow, guys, this is a banger. First of all, let's also watch her trade again.
You need to be patient and only take action when the criteria are met.
Did you hear? Patient. You have to be patient and only take a trade when the criteria are met. If the criteria are not met, please do not take a trade. Now let's watch.
Sometimes the best trading decision is not to trade but waiting patiently. Here the parabolic star seems to flip. Do not enter immediately. Always wait the first candle to close. You can only be sure the flip happened when a candle is closed.
Okay, she said the same thing I said. Parabolic star has flipped. The first dot has dropped, but she did not take a trade. She wants to be sure that the trade is actually going, that the market is going down. So she will wait for that first candle to finish and now take a trade on the second candle. Meanwhile, RSI is below 50. Meanwhile, RSI is below 50. So take note before you take any trade. So let's watch her and see if that trade is a profitable one.
Sometimes there is a false flip in the middle of the time slot, but at the close, the trend continues instead. Candle closed, parabolic saw flipped up, RSI is below 50, so I placed a bet in the downward direction. Now we need to wait 30 seconds. The trade won.
That was a profitable trade. You see, the first criteria is wait for parabolic star to start a new, let's assume the market has been up. Wait for a reversal. That is when the market wants to go down, the first signal is parabolic star will drop the first dot. When the first dot happens, don't take a trade, don't panic. Just calm down, wait. Watch it and make sure your eye is also on the RSI to ensure that the line has crossed the line 50, which is the middle line. So it's a confirmation that the market is going down. When after 30 seconds, that first candle closes and you confirm that RSI is still below 50, then you take your trade. So now let's go and practice it again and see if it will work. This is where to choose your currency pair. This place written CADJPY, that's Canadian dollar / another currency, Japanese currency. So you click on it and you choose the best currency pair that is in line with the strategy. The best currency, like this one, is not in line with our strategy, so we are leaving it. This one is not in line with our strategy. The parabolic side has been up for a very long time. We are not taking any trade here. So let's look for another currency pair. No, this is not a good option. We want to stick to the rule. After the first dot, we want to trade on the second dot, especially when we see that the parabolic RSI is in line, showing that the line is going on that particular trend. This is not a good currency pair. So Let's look for another one. Oh, this is not. Parabolic side has flipped. This is the second dot, but the line is not above 50, so we are not taking this trade. The line on RSI is not above 50, so we are not taking this trade. Make sure you abide by the rules. You're going to make money from this platform, but please make sure you follow the strategy. If you stick to the criteria, if you stick to the rule, you're going to make good money from this platform. Now let's look for another currency pair. When you see long things on each candle, just know that currency pair is not good for trading. When you see long things on each candle, just know that currency pair is volatile. That is volatility. That is, it is going up very fast and it is coming down immediately also very fast. So do not place a trade on, if you see the candles having long wick, long things like this, do not trade it. The market is not stable at all. So let's look for another currency pair. We missed this opportunity. Patience remains the best thing you can do for yourself so that you don't lose your money. Willing to wait patiently. I will not want anybody to lose their money. You can make good money from this platform, but make sure you are as patient, even if it's just one trade a day. Even if you're able to be patient and just get one trade a day, then you're good to go. You must not make $100 a day. No. You must not make $1,000 a day. No. Do not put such undue pressure on yourself. There is no quick money. If this platform gives you quick money, you won't even believe. You won't even put your trust in it. So to tell you that everything good takes time. Yes, so this is perfect. I'm going to take like up to 10 trades on this market. Up to 10 trades, if possible 20 trades. Don't do with me because I am a risk taker and I know very well that this is a perfect strategy. Now I'm going to take up to, I took one trade. The reason I decided to take one trade is it has long things. It has long things and it shows that the market is not stable. It would have been a perfect one if the market was stable, but the market is not stable at all. The market is not stable. If we make money from this particular trade, just know that we're just fortunate. But on a normal ground, we are not supposed to make money from this trade because the market is not stable at all. I won't even be surprised if I don't get it. Exactly. It was not profitable. Let's look for a market that is stable. Looking for the best currency pair so that we can take 1:1 trade. This market is volatile. Make sure you don't trade on a market like this. Okay, this is quite a good market. Okay, let's see. The candle is stable. The currency pairs is stable. Parabolic flips. If you see, the candles are looking the long things are not much. See, that market was extremely profitable. Look at it. All profitable. I took how many trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trade, and they were all profitable. So now what happened? The market is stable. The long things are not much. The long thing, look at it, see full green candles to show that the market is quite stable. RSI was in the middle of 50, showing that it is strong. I was watching it, look at it, it has gone above 50. So to show that I was watching the market, this is perfect. This is extremely perfect. You saw the trade we missed and you saw the reason why we missed it. The market was not stable, it was very volatile. We had to wait patiently for a stable market, and we watched RSI was in 50, showing that it was strong where it was. It can go up, it can go higher than that, and that was exactly what happened. There is another opportunity. Parabolic has dropped its first dot. RSI is above 50. Let's see if that trade is going to be profitable.
Parabolic soft lift, but now to the downside. RSI is above 50, so I placed a bet in the upward direction. The trade won again.
That was a profitable trade. Now let's watch her last, then we'll go and take another last trade. This is the last example. Parabolic dropped its first dot. The candles are very stable. There is no long thing to show that the market is volatile, and RSI is below 50. Let's watch if it's a profitable trade. Profitable trade. Let's take our last example trade. When you wait for the best timing, you can take up to 5 trades and you're very sure that you're going to make money from it. This market is stable, but we've missed the opportunity. This is the third candle. This is the third candle. This is the fourth candle. No, let's leave it. We want to stick to the rule so that we don't lose money. Money is very hard to get, so why do we want to throw it away just like that when we can make it only by being patient? Better you close the trade, go and come back, or make sure the opportunity is the best opportunity. Then you can take up to 2 trades, you can take up to 3 trades, dependent on you. But I will advise you 1 trade a day. Even if it's just $10 you make a day, it is something. $10, calculate it in 30 days. Calculate $10 in 30 days. That is some money. But that is the reward you get for being patient. But if you decide to trade out of impulse, if you allow your emotions to get the best part of you, then you're going to lose your money. And the truth is that if you have a debt you want to clear, your emotions might be swinging you like, I want to make plenty money. Okay, we are taking a trade now. The parabolic has dropped its first dot. Line is below 50. Sorry, parabolic has dropped its second dot. Let's see. Line is below 50. The market is quite stable. Let's see if it's going to be a profitable trade. And guys, I took 8 trades and all of them are hits back to back. Guys, look at it. It was a hit back to back. Why? Because I waited for the right time, and I took 8 trades and all of them were profitable. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, because girl, I am here to bring you back-to-back videos of I tried it and it worked. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.